Your head,
Head.
hair, ears, eyes. Ang galing ah. Nose. Where is your nose? Mouth. Mouth. Wow. Lips. Yun, lips. Teeth. Where is your teeth? Tongue. Galing ah. Where is your hands? Feet. Where is your feet? Asan? Yan, feet. Where is your fingers? Where is your dede? Dede. Asan ang dede ni Chris?
Dede. Dede.
Andiyan ang dede. Where is your pututoy? Asan ang pututoy ni Chris? Asaan? Asan ang pututoy? Ang titi. Asan ang pututoy ni Chris? Asaan? Ito ang pututoy ni Chris. Oh, ito. Oh. Ito. Oh. Asan ang pututoy ni Chris? Yan. Very good. Where is your knees? Knees. Ito. Ito ang knees. Knees. Kili-kili. Kili-kili power! Galing ah.